Hi, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering, coming to you this morning from Crewe when it's really cold in the workshop. I've already turned one of the heaters on, and I'm going to turn the other heaters on, to be honest, because it is really cold. My hands are freezing. So today I'm going to show you two companion mirrors from out of a Bentley Turbo R. Now, if you've got a Bentley Turbo R, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Now, these particular pair has come to us, and it consists of two different veneers. So the veneers is this one, which is a burr walnut. Even though it's orange, this has done this over time. So this orangey colour, that would have started out brown, as that for instance, and then it would turn that colour over the years. Now, a lot of people say, oh no, it hasn't done that, but trust me, we see a lot of woodwork and that's exactly what it is. This here is a straight grain walnut, and you can see there that we call that the cross banding, and that's also starts off a brown colour, but this has really lightened up as well. So anyway, these have been fetched into us to be restored. This part here, that is solid wood, so this piece here would all get sanded off and all get restained and stuff like that. So that's one of them. Now this one doesn't look that bad, it's fading and stuff like that, but it's all the lacquer's still actually on. Whereas on this one, you can see how much faded that, and the lacquer's actually started to chunk off. Now, it would normally do this type of thing, the lacquer would normally do this, it's really common. You can see there that it's just flaking off with my fingers. You've got to be really careful when you do this. See, I've taken that piece off, and look at the difference in the colour of veneer. So by the time we sanded that veneer very carefully, that will bring that, with the new lacquer, it would magnify it and bring it back to almost the colour that it was originally. But obviously you need to know what you're doing to do it. I told you in one of the other videos, if you can hear that ticking noise is different from where that is, because that is solid, that part is loose, so all that maybe have to be re-veneered. But this is a Bentley Turbo R. Chances are you've got this problem on the top of your door cappings. The side of the door cappings will look really nice and you think, well, there's nothing wrong with it, but here at GDK Veneering, what we would need to do, if it is chunking off at the top, you can't just do the top, because when we respray them, we respray from the back all the way around, so it's all continuous, so there's no gap, so hopefully it's going to take longer for the moisture to get back underneath it. So that's it for today. It's now time to start work. Thank you very much for watching. Please click like, share and tell your friends. Bye bye.